Alright, hello everyone. So yesterday, was it yesterday? Yeah, it was yesterday. I um I went to Target and I ended up getting my first Lego. So I actually got it, my first set, and I'm excited because look at that. This is what it looks like. Wait, can you? Oh, there you go. So I guess I've been messing around with the angles, and I think I figure out how to do it, but we'll see. All right, so you cannot see my face at all whatsoever, but hold on, let me see. Um, you know what? Whatever. Okay, how do I open this? It's just gonna be me opening it, and then once I start building it, I'll just lower the camera down. It's fine. Oh. Whoa. They come in bags and they have numbers on them? I guess this is the booklet. I like the packaging. That's kind of cool. Toss that to the side. Let's see. Let's unbox this booklet. It is a booklet. Wait, there's 3 books? Oh, because they're in sections. Okay. That's cool. Look, see? This is book 1, and it works for these 3. And then this is book 2 that goes in the middle part, and then the book 3 is the last part. Okay. Okay, so all right, so book 1. Oh shoot, hold on. Let me put the stuff over there. And let me lower this so you could see me building. Okay, so book 1. Okay, so I opened this. How do you open this? I was opening the wrong side. Oh, it fell. What's this? I don't know. Is this a step? I don't know, but I could come back to it, right? I don't know what that's for. Okay, anyways. Okay, so I need one of these. Oh, I have to open these too. I have no idea what I'm getting into, honestly. But I'll try my best. These are very strange, but interesting. I don't know how to explain that, but like, with this stick? What? This is, what? This is crazy to me. fact that these come together is crazy to me. No wonder people like Legos. It's way different than the nanobots, I gotta say. Oh! It goes like this, I think. Yeah, I think it goes like that. I think. That's what it looks like. It's like a flower. And it has a little hole right in the middle there. So it would make sense that it goes there. Okay. How come I never played with Legos before? It was like, yeah, I've never played with Legos before, and as an adult now, I could buy whatever I want. But Legos was never like an interest of mine. Like, I'd rather play with video games or like go to theme parks. Wait, it looks a little off. Wait. No, wait, I think it goes on the pipe. Or like it looks like a pipe bottom. Yeah, I think it's like that. It makes more sense like that. Okay. Well, there's one piece down. There you go. That's kind of cool. Right? That's one piece down. Now I have to do another piece. Which it looks like it's these little pike ones. Sorry, I'm kind of blind. All the color like all the colors freaking get mushed together.
That's the joke.
Oh shit. Oops. Oh. Okay, it's still intact. It's fine. It's all good. I think it's fine like that. Does that look fine? Yeah, it does, actually. It's a little off, but not all plants has to be perfect. So that's plant 2 done. This one doesn't look like it has a little bit thing on the side. Okay, so that's plant 2 done. Alright, now for the last plant. I wonder if it'll also have extra parts like the nano blocks do. Because it feels like the nano blocks always have extra pieces. But I wonder if Legos have it too. Maybe they don't, but like so far it looks like it didn't. So I have to, if I'm missing a piece, I'm screwed. But it's brand new, so I shouldn't be having any missing pieces. Looks like that's it for this book. So we're done with that one. But there is a few little pieces left. Maybe they're extras for like in case you lose them, or I don't know. I'm gonna put to the side. I still don't know what the heck this is about. Oh, I said I was gonna go back and check what the heck this is. Yeah, I still don't know what the heck that is. Maybe I'll have to come back when like it's all done, or maybe it has nothing to do with it. I don't know, honestly. Okay, so that's book 1. I guess we're gonna have to go with book 2. I'm gonna take a break first before I do this though, but so I'll be back. Alright, so I'm back from my break. I got my coffee. Let me put that away from my stuff. I don't want to knock it out and fucking destroy shit here. Also, okay, this is back too. I forgot to mention or say anything about my freaking. Oh, these are pretty color. Holy shit, it's a pretty color. I didn't know Legos were freaking expensive when I went to Target, because I needed a toss. I needed. I went to Target to kill time because I was waiting for the post office to open up so I could buy a stamp to send a mail. And I was walking by Target. There was a Target nearby, so I went to stop there to kill some time. So there was like 10-15 minutes left until it actually opened. So there are the other ones, but still. So I had like 10-15 minutes to kill, and that Target happened to be under construction or something. Like I guess they were like rearranging their whole store or making it bigger. I don't know. They were doing something to it. And but it was still open, so I'm like, no, let me just kill time and come in there. And I went in there and I walked by the Lego section. I didn't know they had a section. They had like 2 lanes, or 2 aisles, I mean, of Legos. One was like for kids and the other one was like for adults. And you could tell the difference between the two because the adult section had like large, like it was large boxes, and there were like 100, 200, 200. I'm like, damn. But I get it because it's a lot of pieces, and there's like a lot of like, it's just a lot of a lot of pieces, and like there was the Millennium Falcon or whatever. From Star Wars, a ship, the big giant Millennium Falcon. Oh my god, I can't say it. But it's a big ship. And it's really big box. Really big box. There is one that caught my eye and I really wanted it so badly. It was the Mario Quest and Block. That thing was huge. I'm like, I want it, but $300. I don't think so. I was like, shit, that's a lot of money. And then this one was like $50. I'm like, I could do it. And so I got it, and now here we are. But is it? Oh yeah, it's all these. So yeah, I bought it, and I was actually because there was another one. I might go back someday. Hopefully it's still there or not. I don't know. But it's a giant Pokeball, and it lights up supposedly. Like if you press the button in the middle, it lights up apparently. So I'm like, damn. I was torn between this one and that one, the Pokeball. But I'm like, you know what? I want the succulent ones. So I got this one instead. And yeah, if I ever go for a big Lego set, it's not until I have like extra money, because I do not have extra money. I don't have Lego money. Okay, I do not. It was a miracle I freaking ended up with me buying this. So I don't got Lego money. So maybe in the future, if I ever get more Legos, it's either gonna be like the smaller ones, like this one, like the $50 or less. I don't know. I'm pretty sure there's some that are less than $50. I'm pretty sure. Or 50, whatever. As long as it's less than 100, and maybe I'll buy it. You know, it depends if I like it, if I want it. If I do more, if not, clearly I'm gonna stick with nano blocks, because those are a lot easier to buy. They're a lot cheaper, and there's a lot of them. And I already have a lot of them is Pokemon, obviously, because I like Pokemon. I'm only gonna get the Pokemon that I like, and then hopefully I'll find some more anime characters. But for now, this is my first Legos, and damn, I didn't know they were that freaking expensive. I really did not. It was that expensive until I found them. For this, yeah, okay, that's this flower done. I don't know what kind of flower it is. And now this flower is done. Look at that. All right, last flower. Yep, that was the wrong way. There, and I think this is done. Yep, that's it. That's the last. Look at all these extra pieces. Like, all these extra pieces. So they are like nanobots. They have a lot of extra shit. Okay, so I have to plug in this to here. And then this to here. Oh, I'm supposed to use these. Okay, this one goes here. This one would go there. Oh, the shadow's in the way. There. Oh, let me check the other book. Where did I put it? Oh, let me check the other one. Did that one have? Oh, it did. Okay, good. Good thing I put it to the side. Let's fix that. Okay, there. Perfect. All right, that's book 2 done. All right, I'm gonna take another break because that's a lot, a lot of steps, and you know, you need to take breaks in between. Well, I do anyways. So, all right, so now we're back to the final book. I think this one gonna have the most pieces. I think it sure feels like it. That's one down. Why does this look like a freaking gun? Look at that. Looks like a little gun. Alright, that's it for this one. Look at that. I think there's a lot going on in the front though. Whatever, it's fine. Alright, last plant. So this flower is done. Look at that. This is big. This is the biggest one, I think. Alright, so let's connect them. Maybe I like that. Okay, so that's done. So... wait, what is this? Oh, hold on. This one wants 2 of these here. For whatever reason. Why it wants it there, I don't know. Why? Oh shoot, I just dislocated. Fucking... I don't know why it wants 2 in there. Whatever, I don't fucking know. Alright, so we connect these first too. Let's connect them first. Alright, they're connected. And these 2 are there, that's it. Alright, get these extra pieces out of the way. And are we done? Yeah, we're done. I know these are supposed to be open. But... alright, so we are done here. Looks like we could, you know. Anyways, alright, so that's it. That I am finally done. Let me get the camera so you could get like a closer look. Look at that. It's so, hold on. There. Look at it. Oh, I love it. I really love it. I think this would be a better angle. Yep, right there. Get in the middle. There we go. Screenshot. Alright, so alright, so that's it. This is pretty. This is very pretty. Oh look, see? Freaking thumbnail. There's some flowers you can't really see. But let me see. Oh, there you go. You can see all the flowers. Yeah, that's cool. I like it. I love it. I really love it. There's a lot of extra pieces here though. Like a lot of extra pieces. But I'm not gonna worry about it because it looks like it doesn't need it. I still don't know what the heck this is about. I have no idea what this is for. But I'll look up in the book, see what the heck it says. I didn't read it, so I don't know if you're supposed to read it, but it doesn't have that much words in it. But that's it. I'm finally done. It took me like, I would say 2.5 hours probably to do all this. But some parts I'll probably speed it up because there's a lot of times I'm just like focused and like not talking, so it get over with. And I took breaks in between too, so probably took me like probably 3 hours. I don't know. I'm not sure. I wasn't really keeping count, but my recording says half hour, and like I think the longest one was like 40 minutes. I think, I'm not sure. And that might have been like for book 2. I don't know. But overall, I like it. I would love to buy more Legos, but they're hella expensive. But if like they're less than $100, I'll probably buy it. But because this was like $50 for the succulents, and I love this. Maybe next time I should get the Pokeball. It's like a giant. I don't know how big it is because since it's pretty big for its size. Maybe next time if I ever do this again, I'll probably get the Pokeball because that one looked cool too. Because I was going back and forth whether I get the succulent or the Pokeball, but I love the succulent more. So maybe next time if I go back to that Target and I find it, I'll probably grab it next time. We'll see. All right, so that's it, and I'll see you all next whatever I post.